Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Club One wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working because they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting. Any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If you can't get them fixed or you decide you just want a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you have where you want to delete all of the pairing history, clear all the settings off of these, so you can set them up like they're brand new coming out of the box basically. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy. The first thing we need to do is make sure it's on, so we're just going to come and hit the power button to turn them on if they're not on already. And then we're just going to come over and press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 or more seconds. And you'll see after those 5 or so seconds, the headphones will automatically turn off and then turn back on into their factory default state, and you can go ahead and set them up like new.